How to upload PDF on DeepSeek AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to upload PDF files to DeepSeek AI, you are in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get your document uploaded and ready for use. Now, let's dive right in. First, let's head over to the DeepSeek AI. Once you're in the platform, look for the plus button located in the top right corner of your screen. You need to simply click on that plus button and a menu will pop up. From there, you need to select the option labeled as document. This will allow you to choose the PDF file you want to upload. Now, navigate through your document and then select the PDF file that you wish to upload. Here, I'm simply selecting this, and once you find that, you need to simply click on open over here. Your PDF will now start uploading. Just a quick note, the time it takes to upload will depend on the size of your PDF. Larger PDF will take longer time, so just be patient. Once the upload is complete, you can start asking questions about your content of your PDF. Just type questions on the chat box like this. And once you have done that, you can simply click on send and it will answer all your questions. However, keep in mind that if your PDF is too large, it may take some time to process before you can ask questions. As a tip, try to avoid uploading excessively large PDF like those over 300 pages to ensure a smoother experience. And that's it. You now know how to upload a PDF to DeepSeek AI easily. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more guides like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.